Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed myself doing my makeup for my brother's wedding. So this is the look I created and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Just Peachy Mattes from Too Faced for this entire look. First I'm going to be applying the shade Just Peach to our crease, and then we will be moving on to the shade Fresh Picked, and it's that one. We're going to be applying it to our crease. Then we'll be applying the shade Peach Cobbler to our crease, and again, it's all going to be there. It doesn't matter if it's going to be messy. We're going to cut it with some concealer. We're going to do a cut crease, so it doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Peach Sangria, and I'm going to try and focus that more into our outer V. Now I'm going to be applying the shade Just Right to my outer V and a little bit on the crease. Like I said, it doesn't matter. Just start applying shades on your outer V and your crease. And then I'm applying the shade, one of the lightest ones. It's the Peaches and Cream, to try and I'm going to try and blend it all out with that shade. And then I'm cutting the crease with a concealer. This is one of the NYX Jar concealers. I'm going to cut the crease like I said and follow a line, a wing liner, so I can apply my glitter. But first we're going to set that concealer with the lightest shades, which are going to be Peach Meringue and Peach Butter. So I'm quickly gonna do my lipstick and then I'll be done. I feel so weird wearing big lashes. I'm not used to it, so I feel my eyes super heavy, and like if I'm cross-eyed, I don't know. Let's see. So these are the earrings I'm wearing, and a simple little necklace and my rings. This is the complete makeup look, and you guys need to see my dress. Hold up.